Hi everybody, welcome back to Niecy's Closet. Today I'm going to show you how to turn this skein of yarn into a cake using the yarn swifter and using a yarn spinner. So let's get going. To assemble everything together, we're going to use the yarn swifter, yarn winder, a pair of scissors, and a skein of yarn. Here we go. Now, when we do the yarn, we're not sure which hole we're going to use yet until we open up the skein. So it's a guessing game. And I'm guessing 1 to the 3rd hole from the top. That's what I'm guessing. We're going to unwind the yarn, find the center, and it opens up as such. And you place it on the yarn swifter until it fits right. Now see, this is not fitting, so it's telling me I gotta go down a hole. So I'm gonna go down a hole. So you place the sticks where you think it's gonna fit. There. Let me see. Okay, so now usually there's a string on every side, but this particular skein, which is a fleece skein, it's just on one side. So here is the string and I'm going to cut it. All right. Now that I've cut the string, I'm trying to determine which way I want to go, and I believe I'm going to go turning toward to the left. I take the yarn spinner and I place it tight under the table. You have to screw it tightly. Nice and tight. Okay, so then I take the yarn and I wrap it around the metal piece so that it's through the hole. Then I normally make sure that I use the part that has the knot so that it hooks on to the slit that's up top. There's a slit. I hold on to the yarn as so. And I start spinning. And as I spin, the wind swifter, the yarn swifter is going to start moving. And it's turning it into a cake. Just go slow enough so that you know that it's catching. And as you can see, it's turning slowly into a cake. I have to hold on to the yarn to keep it tight. If I let go, everything's gonna start being so loose that it won't spin around the yarn winder. Look at it go. See the cake growing and getting bigger? I love this machine.
Why do you like turning yarn into cakes?
Because it's easier to use the yarn, because when you try to pull it from the middle, sometimes it knots up in the middle and you got to pull whatever's making it knot up and take that apart. And then if you pull it from the outside, it's like you're constantly turning the yarn. I prefer to pull yarn from the middle, but a cake makes it so much easier to use the yarn. Look at this cake. See how it's becoming a cake? I love this. I hope you guys are enjoying me showing you how to do a skein of yarn into a cake.
That's a big cake though.
I know. Well, this is fleece yarn. I've never used fleece yarn before. My daughter showed me something new because I never seen fleece yarn before. Oh, I'm almost done. Yay. I'm almost done. And it went pretty fast, don't you think? Look at that. It's a cake. What I normally do is I take this wrapper that was around the skein and I flatten it. I fold it once and then I fold it one more time. And where you see this thread, I place it right here and I pull it out. And it stays intact like that. Okay? So this is why I like you doing cakes. I like making cakes because it's easier to store or put away. As a matter of fact, you can take this skein of yarn right here and turn it into a cake just by pulling out through the middle. And what you do is, I'm going to move this out the way. You can take it from the middle, put it through the hole. I'm going to make a knot. I'm having so much fun. Okay. Put it in the slit and start turning. And look, I'm making a cake. Just by using this, I'm making another cake. Now, what do you think about that? So do you see that, ladies and gentlemen? Because I know you men out there knit and crochet as well. But this is just a demonstration to see how you can turn this skein of yarn into a cake as well. I hope you enjoyed this segment, and I'll see you next time in Nisi's Closet.